this video, we are going to understand how actually we can create a repository on GitHub and how we can directly upload all the project files directly through VS Code to GitHub. So let's see. So I have this a project here. It can be any kind of project, any React project, data science project, any website project, anything it can be. So here is a sample website I created here. So I'm just opening it in my VS Code. You can see here, let me just open it for you. So here, let's go live just to check what inside it. Here you can see it's a sample website here. So yes, it is working. It's a sample website, and I want to upload the code of all this sample website in my GitHub repository. So here some images here, all the files are there. Okay, so all these things I want to upload on my GitHub repository. So first of all, I need to create the repository. No, repository is something like a folder in your system where you store the things locally. But here I want to upload all the thing on cloud through Git. So here let's create the repository. I already signed in my GitHub profile, and then just click on it here. Click on your repositories. It may be possible that you are unable to see anything over here. Maybe it's your first repository. I have this much of repository here. Not lot, but I have some. So don't need to worry about that. Let's create your first repository here. Just click on new and just give the name of the repository because that's my sample website. I'm creating the name as sample website. You can use any name. It's totally up to you. And the description is, you can just, it's an optional thing. I'm just typing here. I created a sample website using HTML and CSS. Okay. For my students, you can type anything over here. It's totally up to you, and it's optional as well whether you want to type it or not. And then just create the repository. So my folder is ready. You can see, just click on it over here. Okay, first of all, because this repository is ready, just copy the link from here, Control C, because this is the place where I want to upload everything, my projects file here. Let me show you here. Just click on it, click on your repositories, and you can see you are able to create the repository here. You are able to create a folder here on your Git. Click on it. Okay. So here I want to upload everything. Let's go to our project here, which is in my VS Code. Now here you can see we have this icon. Just click on it. As of now, you can see this kind of thing, but it may be possible that in your case, in your VS Code, it showing you something to download. Just download it and then close your VS Code and again open it, reopen it, and you will see the same thing over there. Okay, just click on initialize repository and then give the message like what is the name actually you need to give here. So I have my sample website. Now I'm just putting the same name. You can use any other name as well. It's up to you. And just click on this tick for commit. Yes. Okay. Now I want to upload each and everything on my GitHub repository, which I just created. Just click on the three dot and click on push pull. Okay. And here push to where you want to push everything or where you want to send each and everything. So here add remote and just whatever you copy from the repository link, just paste it here and click on add remote from URL and then give the name here. You can put any name here. I'm putting my name here. You can put any other name here. It's totally up to you and click enter. Okay, so everything is done here. Now just push everything or just send everything to this repository. So again, click on three button, push or pull, push to, and now you can see here the link, your name or whatever name you put there and the link. So just click on it. It will take some time, maybe 10 seconds to 5 seconds only, and it will upload. If there is a very long file, the number of file is very much high, so it will take some time more. But because it's a very small project, it will not take like less than like 5 to 10 seconds. It upload everything. So it is uploaded. Let's check it out. So here we are unable to see anything. Let's just refresh it. And now you can see we got everything over here. This is the VS Code file here. Okay. So that image here, you can see the image, about.html file, contact.html file, everything uploaded here. Gallery, sign.html, and then you can see index.html is here. So everything is already here. This is how we can create the repository directory. We can send everything of our project directly in my from our VS Code to GitHub repository. You can see this is how it looks like. Click on it. See. So you can give the link to anyone, whoever you want to share your project. Okay. So this is how we can do this. Thank you.